It's almost in a way addicting because there's really just no limit to what you can do and how creative you can get with using Smartsheet.
Welcome to Smartsheet on Smartsheet, an inside look at how we use our own tool to accomplish our goals.
Hi, my name is Victoria, and I am the Director of the Marketing PMO at Smartsheet. We define the PMO as the Project Management Office, which is the team that is a group of project managers managing large programs of work within a marketing team.
We also have a creative operations team that has creative project managers, and they work directly in the studio. Hi, my name is Becky Simon, and I am the Senior Director of Content Strategy here at Smartsheet. The creative operations team is in charge of prioritizing, ensuring that the deliverables are complete, and handing them off to the PMO and different stakeholders. And so the PMO and the creative operations team work very hand in hand. So the transition to creating the creative operations team in the studio, it was during a very high growth period for the company, and we needed to ensure that we had a repeatable and scalable process that we could deliver on the needs of the business. So we were continuing to deliver on those needs while changing our operational model.
Smartsheet's Control Center has been a game changer for us. It allowed us to create a single marketing portfolio where all of our creative projects now live.
So the previous process really supported one-off tasks, but they weren't connected to larger programs. I would say the most exciting thing and the most impactful thing that we've had by implementing Control Center within the studio is visibility, whether it's the executive level, to the management level, the department lead level, to the VPs, to the individual contributor that needs to know exactly what they need to do and what the timeline is and who they should be working with.
We were able to create blueprints for most of our common projects and project types, which gave us a chance to templatize everything from our intake forms to our project timelines, as well as the dashboards that we use on all of our project plans. It now takes us a fraction of the time that it used to spin up a new project or program.
So by templatizing the process, we then ensure that different team members are all executing in a similar manner, which ensures the quality and our ability to scale. Yeah, so the creative process starts with an intake form. We use conditional logic in the intake form, and the goal is really to get all of the important information that we need in the request in order to make a decision and prioritize the work within the studio. So once one of the creative resources receives the work and executes on it, they then use proofing to upload the assets for stakeholder review and feedback. Once it's approved and the final deliverable is done, we use Brandfolder to upload our assets and tag them so that they're properly stored and easy to find. The templates that we use are based off of previous data and previous deliverables that we've done. And so there's time saving, but then also the accuracy in terms of the milestones that we're going to commit to.
Smartsheet allows both the studio and the PMO teams to do more with less. Not only are we able to just work more efficiently, but because the solution streamlines and automates so many manual and repetitive tasks, our teams are now able to focus more on strategic and meaningful work.